Hello, everyone. Since most of us are in remote learning, all that we want should be done electronically, right? So I hope everyone will get a benefit in this video because in today's video, I will share how you can make a copy of an interactive notebook in your Google Drive. So this is a perspective way of a student following what is already posted by the teacher. So I will show you how to make your own copy of a PowerPoint interactive notebook. This is not only personalized for math, but you can use this in all your subjects. All right, let's start with it. Um, okay, to start with, so again, as what I said, this is already given by a teacher. So I will just go ahead and click the Math 2 Interactive Notebook. And I should have a link for a forced copy. It takes a while. So make your own copy. Once I click this one, it will force me to make my own copy. So I'm going to click that. And taran, taran, there you go. All right. The first thing that I want you to do is to rename your document. Oops, hold on. It's still loading. Let's wait. So make that. I saved that already. So this is my Math 2 Digital Interactive Notebook. So the next thing is to click the share button because it should because the what do you call that, the setting that it is provided once you make your own copy is it is private only. So you need to change the setting here and change this into what are the options. Hold on in a minute. Anyone with the link. So Charlotte Mecklenburg School is where I am teaching right now. That's my district name. And if I'm gonna click this one, so anyone that have this link should view my file. So click done, and that's it. So if this, see, it says public on the web, meaning anyone on the internet with the link can open. Next is, let me just show you how this presentation looks like. These are the other option where we can choose which notebook cover works for you. Look at that. Oops, hold on. So I have that notebook, I have this notebook, that cover. Let me see. Let me exit it. So I have 5 choices where I think I want this. It looks pretty. So go ahead and click those cover notebook that you didn't choose. Delete, 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 delete. There you go. And then personalize it by writing your name and your teacher's name and whatever subject you have. Since I'm using this for math, so I got a math class here, or math name. So the first thing that you need to do is to write all the topics under this unit. So if you want to change this one into unit 1, for example, only. Okay, this overview is for unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, whatever that is. I'll show you later. And then write the topic here that works for unit 1. For instance, it's expression and equation. It's too small for you to see, so I will make it bigger here. There you go. So if I'm gonna make this as page 3, because this is 1, 2, 3. Oh no, this is page 2. That's page 2. And then, for instance, I'm gonna make this as a day. What day did I have this topic? For example, day 1 of math, and what are the, if I'm gonna personalize it, what assignment or whatever assignment, or exit ticket, whatever. I mean, you can write anything on it. Now, before I will continue, make sure that you already set in which folder you want this to save. So in my case, I would love to share this in my Avid folder, no, math folder probably. Okay, just click that and then move here. Okay, I'm not gonna save this one because I have one ready for everyone. Okay, for you. So going back, this is my interactive notebook. Yay! Okay, so this is still I want this type of cover, so I'll stick on it. So for example, my student name is Lisa Capascia, my teacher is Lisa Capascia. So it's all up to you what do you want to write on it. Okay, so I started this by writing, like, for example, today's lesson, or 1 5. Yeah, today's lesson is expression and equation. This is my day 1. So the assignment says submit the course syllabus and an make a math. Make a math interactive notebook. MIAN. All right. 1621 says add and subtract polynomial, and that's day 2 of unit 1, and whatever the assignment that will given by your teacher, you should write there. But I'm not yet updating it since I have not checked what is on my canvas. So then, like, next one. So this is an example of a Cornell notes where this is effective in writing details of your topic. I got this from my Avid class, and I'm so proud that I am one of the Avid teacher who's getting a benefit um, of that. So it tells you and it gives you the topic, the objectives, the essential questions that the teacher will pose, the date or the day that you are discussing that. Just for you to know, this is editable. I mean, we can edit this in any time. So I just personalize my the font. I choose, this is Architect's Daughter, so you can choose any. I mean, I just want to feel like I wrote this notebook personally, so that's why. And then, so this is the class period where I belong, the date I made this page. So I will write the lesson here. As what I said, the first lesson says expressions and equations, so I'm gonna write it here. And then what are the things that we did? Okay, what are the things that we're doing on that day? And then, so on the right side, it says warm up. So for instance, I will show you how to grab this. This is the generic way of grabbing a warm up from the lecture that your teacher is doing. So this is you for day 4, interior and exterior. See that? I've been using this for a long time. So what I do here is I will grab the snipping tool. If you don't know that, this is the snipping tool. Come on. There you go. Look at that snipping tool. It should always be available, one of your option in your computer. So just click new, and then I will just take a snip of what part of the warm-up would I be copying, and then copy, and then go back to my notebook, and then paste it here. Oops, hold on in a minute. Hold on. Paste it here. Ta-da! There you go. So see how this is a generic way. And then I'll put here a text box. Oops, it didn't copy. So I can put my own notes here. The measure for angle 1 is, since I can't edit it, so I can put my answers here, for example, 76%, whatever that is. And then the measure of angle 2. So it's up to you how you will do a certain editing on this part, all right? So, but I would recommend you to write or click this text box. Okay, going forward, this is another page where you can edit it. If you want to keep the same thing or the same cardinal notes here, it's fine. I mean, here here is just basically plain white, two whites here. Um, I just made a copy out of that thing. So if you want to make a copy of these, so just right click, and then duplicate slide. Okay, see? Now I have sets of plain white where I can paste all my mm, I can paste all my my lectures. Okay? Now, let me show you. So, what I have here already in my notebook, look at that. Look at this. This is unit 3. So I put all the, let me minimize this one. So I put all the topics that is under unit 3. What day is it? And then which assessment will I, or where will I do the assessment? So in unit 4 and unit 6, or unit 5, I'm sorry. Unit 5. See that? Look at this. So things to do says that I have an assignment in quizzes.com and deltamath.com, Canvas quiz. You should what this YouTube study guide check. Okay, those are review. These are retest, and this is assessment unit 5, and it happened in schoolnet. What I'm trying to say here is, see, I reached unit 5 and I'm still on the table of contents. Okay, just to make it better. Oh, I have something here. Look at that. So I just copy, cut, paste everything in one place and put them all together. Okay? See that? This is what I'm saying, that you can always do a generic writing, or of course you can always do the old style of taking notes like this. So this is my uh, student last semester, where he's fond of doing the old school type of lecturing where you need to write it on notebook. So he's just taking picture of it, uploading to your chosen Google Drive, and presto, he's just attaching it here. So if you're the same thing or same person like him, go ahead and push that, and I would happy to see your notes. See that? Look at that. He's so clean. It's, look at that. Look. So I check this one, and the more copy or the more lecture that you're putting there, the more chances of getting a higher grade, of course. So, look at that. Oh, here, look. So it doesn't mean that only lectures can be posted in your interactive notebook. Also, the video can be posted. Okay. If none of you, I cannot play. Oh, because I did not present it. But if I, oh, see, look at that. Look at that. See? Look at that. I can make it bigger if I want. But again, this is coming from the notebook that I am presenting. See how cool that is? You can even embed a video from a YouTube and put it in your own interactive notebook, just in case. Look at these. See that? Those are videos from my lectures. If you will check, my what do you call this? My oh my god, I chose the wrong one. Okay, if you will check my Canvas, see? It also videos here, and that's the thing that they are copying. Okay? So look at that. So this is how I present my Canvas. Look at that. All right. So then what else? What else I forgot? So again, you can always personalize everything in your interactive notebook. Now, how will you submit it? Since you already have the settings in your share button, you may just copy the link and press done. Go to the assignment. For instance, I can't able to submit any assignment here in my interactive notebook. I hope I can. Hold on. Okay, let me see. Ah, the reason why I can't access this is because it says lock until January 6th. So I cannot show you how to upload things, but we can check. Hold on. I'm sorry. Okay, let me see. This is assignment course syllabus here. Oh, here. Look. Let me have virtual locker. If I'm gonna do student view, please lock until January 6th. I go back again. I'm sorry. I want to show you the actual way of submitting this in the student view. All right, here. Good. Again, I am in student view. You're gonna click submit assignment. So it doesn't show here the extra file that you can attach here. This is a text entry only, but you can always attach a website, a link, a Google Drive, whatever. It should be in this boxes or in this part, okay? So you will just attach the link that you have copied earlier in your share button, and you're good to go. I hope that helps you. So I will put the copy of my interactive notebook for the benefit of who wants to use it in your class. Again, this is not only for math. You can always use this in any of your subjects. Okay, I hope you enjoy my video. Please like and share if you want. I mean, thank you very much for supporting my channel. Bye. Bye.